Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're going through some older inventory, and I've got the speedometer and bracket. Now I don't know about the 0 mileage because I don't think it's new. But I actually there's a little bit of scratching here on the bezel if you look at it real close. This bracket has been mounted, as we can see. Now, when I got it, this cable was mounted like this. Okay, now, as you can see here, if I go like with the cable straight down, the odometer does move with the knob. Now, we have a knurled knob here. This has got knurling on it. Now, I'm not a Sportster guy, so I really don't know about this stuff. Now, if we take this meter here and go up like this with the cable, now there's a jam nut here. If we go like this with it, it's kind of bound where it doesn't really want to move. So I don't know if there's something going on inside the cable, whatever. We're basically just selling it as is. Now, the needle moves freely. I believe this is a working speedometer, but I really don't have any way of testing it. But it does move. And like I said, I think it's off a 69 or a 59 to 64 Harley Sportster. It has to be sold as is. There's some marks here and there. So this sprocket's probably, or the speedometer is probably at least 60 years old, at least. It says Harley Davidson and AC on the bottom. So good luck, and we just kind of want to show you the issues.